Today is Sunday, February 22nd, 2026, and I'm going to walk you through how I pick a swing trade on TSFStocks.com. TSFstocks creates forecasts of specific limit order prices for each trading day, published 1 week in advance. Historical validation shows an average of 80% probability of profitability, and all of that data, every forecast and every result, is right here on the site for you to review independently. Let's look at MSTR, Strategy Inc. This is the complete signal analysis. We're looking at the all forecast strategy, 85% confidence band, 5% profit target, and a 7-day maximum duration. And these numbers are terrible. But if we switch to a different forecast strategy, let's try the A0 strategy. It's a world of difference. Now we have positive effective value going back to the first quarter of 2025. 4 events so far in February with a 100% win rate and 20% total return so far with an average of a 3-day hold. This is a good place to start. Now let me show you what this looks like on the forecast chart. The green zone is the map of normal. The green zone shows the expected price range for this stock. The lower band prices are the forecasted limit order entry prices. Each of these red dots marks a day when the stock's actual low price dropped below the forecasted entry price, and that would have triggered a buy. TSF tells you exactly when to get in, and the exit is simple. You're holding for a 5% profit. So this is today, or rather the last Friday of last week. So this is February 20th. And then these are the forecasted limit order prices for the coming week. Now remember, the stock may not trigger entries at these prices, but if the low price of the stock drops below one of these prices on one of these days, that's when you would open a position. The real power here is comparing forecast strategies to find the one performing best for this stock right now. I've got a side-by-side view open. When I switch to a different forecast model, notice how the map of normal changes. It's a completely different forecast shape with different entry prices. Now, the A1 strategy did much worse in the fourth quarter of 2025, but it's performing much better so far this year. Let's look at some other strategies. Now, the combined strategies layer multiple forecast models together to maximize your entry opportunities. But since the combined strategies include the all forecasts model, and the all forecast model is terrible, at least right now for MSTR, all of the combined models are also terrible. So the two best strategies are A0 and A1. Now we're going to go with the A1 strategy because it's had slightly better returns so far this year. It's returned 30% so far in 2026 versus 20%. Here's how you trade on it. I'm just clicking Add to Watch List. And once the stock is on my watch list, I can click Subscription List to add it to my subscription. Every Sunday, you get updated limit order prices for the full trading week, a specific price for each day. If the stock drops to that price on Monday, that's your buy. Tuesday, Wednesday, same thing. These are your entry signals, and they carry an excellent chance of reaching a 5% profit. You can subscribe for up to 50 tickers. Each one gets the same weekly forecast with daily limit order prices based on your selected strategy and confidence band. Subscriptions are for individual, non-commercial research use only. And the 14-day free trial gives you forecasted limit order prices for any 10 tickers you choose. Pick your stocks, see the signals, and verify the results yourself. As always, past performance does not guarantee future results. Remember to like and subscribe to get the latest stock picks from TSFStocks.com.